The very first hack to make your croton leaves more vibrant is giving them direct sunlight. Yes, I'm not kidding. Everyone keeps saying crotons should stay in shade all day. But trust me, if you give them direct sun, you'll see the most stunning colors. Here is the catch though. Don't burn them. You need a spot where they get 3 to 5 hours of soft morning sunlight and then natural shade as the sun gets harsh. Never the midday sun, or you'll end up with crispy leaves instead of vibrant ones. The third hack might surprise you. It's something I tried as an experiment and it really worked, but let's see the second hack first. Now here is something most people don't know. Crotons thrive when there is a little bit of temperature fluctuation. If your plant experiences slightly cooler nights and warmer days, the leaf pigments become richer. So if you're growing indoors, try keeping them near a window where they can feel natural temperature shifts. Don't worry, they love it as long as it doesn't go below 60. Everyone says crotons need moist soil. True, but here is an insider hack. Alternate between slightly moist and almost dry cycles. When the soil dries a little between waterings, the plant actually produces stronger pigments to protect itself. Just don't let it stay dry for too long. Aim for soil that dries out 40 to 50% before the next watering. You'll notice a slight drooping when it starts asking for water. That's the time you should water it. Don't let it droop for more than a day. Don't worry, leaves get straight and firm within an hour after you water it. And this way you'll have bright, vivid leaves. Dust on the leaves is a hidden enemy. If light cannot touch the leaf surface, your plant won't show those bright colors. Instead of just wiping with water, here is my trick. Mix a few drops of neem oil in the water and wipe the leaves once a month. It not only makes them shiny but also keeps pests away. So you're hitting two goals in one hack. You can do this to your other plants' leaves too. Neem oil will protect them from pests or insects. Crotons are heavy feeders, but the real secret is in the soil. Don't just use garden soil. Mix in perlite, compost, and a handful of crushed eggshells or bone meal. That slow calcium release helps maintain strong, thick leaves. You'll notice they don't just look brighter, but healthier and firmer too. One more insider tip. Timing matters more than quantity. Feed your croton with a balanced liquid fertilizer right after pruning or when leaves start growing. That's when the plant is hungry. If you feed randomly, a lot of nutrients just get wasted. And finally, this is my favorite hack. If you want ultra vibrant colors, give your croton a little stress, not too much. For example, slightly reduce watering for a week or move it to a brighter spot for a few days. This gentle stress triggers the plant to push out deeper pigments as a defense mechanism. Just don't overdo it or you'll shock the plant. So those were some insider hacks to make your croton leaves pop with vibrant colors. Remember, morning sun, the right soil, and a little smart stress make all the difference. Try these out and watch your croton transform into the star of your garden. Hope you liked the information. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplants care videos.